Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I just got out of the shower. As you can see, I do have a towel on. I'm not in the nude. And I am about to put a face mask on, so I wanted to share the face mask that I have been using with you and give you a little bit of a demo and a little bit of a mini review as well. So these are the face masks that I have been using. I am hopeless at pronouncing names, as we all know. I think it is I think it is pronounced Luiere. So these are sheet face masks. I have two different types here. This is the anti-aging and this is the repair. So they're both sheet masks, and I will jump onto their website and give you a little bit of info on them before I put one of them on to show you what they are like. First of all, as a brand overall, they are free from alcohol, parabens, mineral oils, sulfates, harsh preservatives, artificial fragrances, and they have no animal derived ingredients. A little bit about the product. So the masks provide deep hydration, smooth wrinkles with special ingredients including Lipidur, which has the capacity to hold over 2,000 times its weight in water. It also contains allantoin, which I haven't heard of before, but apparently that softens, soothes and heals your skin. The other thing I love about this sheet face mask is the fact that the mask itself is biodegradable. It's made from natural fibers with 100 times the absorption of any non-woven sheet mask, 500 times finer than spun lace sheets, and over 1,000 times finer than general pulp sheets. So it allows for greater moisture retention and more nutrient delivery. So that is why these are a little bit special or a little bit different to some of the other sheet masks that I have tried. So I've only had the chance to try these a couple of times over the last couple of weeks, so I didn't bother to get before and after pictures because it's just not going to be fair on the product. And also another thing to remember with skincare is it takes 28 days for your cells to renew, so you're not going to really see skincare results properly until you've been using a product regularly every week for at least 3 to 4 weeks. I think a lot of people get frustrated with new products and they want to see results after like the first time using it. So I'm going to insert a couple of photos here to show you some before and after pictures from their website regarding the two different products. So the repair product is focused more on problem sort of skin. If you have pimples, discoloration, redness, I believe it does assist with reducing that. And then the anti-aging, well, that's pretty self-explanatory. It's supposed to plump up your skin and also help with reducing the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, pores. I think today I'm going to go with the repair because I don't know if you've noticed this, like what is that? It's huge. I have got some serious pimples going on at the moment. So one thing that I noticed was quite different with these masks is the fact that they have this netting on them, and I did ask the company what the purpose of the netting was, and they said because of how delicate the sheet mask is, it's to obviously protect that from tearing. So this is it here. You can see it has this netting on both sides. The only thing I will say is it is a little bit fiddly because you have to pull off one side of the net before you can apply it to your skin. Kind of feels like a gel. So I'm putting it on. Here we go. Okay, so I'm going to peel off this netting on this side. You can see how fine it is. So the thing I love about this sheet mask is how easy it is to maneuver into position because it's so fine. You can see your skin through it. And even though it's obviously too big for my face, it's really easy to get around the mouth and the eye area. So you've got to leave this on for 15 minutes. So while I do that, I'll just quickly let you know, I guess, why this is probably one of the better sheet masks that I have tried Firstly, it's so easy to maneuver onto your face because it's so thin and it's just, it's so flexible and so fine. And the other reason why I like this is because I can sit upright or I can go and do things while I'm wearing this. The reason why I've avoided sheet masks a lot is because I'm a really busy person and I don't like to just sit and lay back and not do anything. At the very least, I'd like to be sitting up and on my phone or reading a book or something. So you can see how well this sticks to the skin and it's not going to fall off. It's really stuck there quite well. So I like that you can go and move around while you're wearing it. So while I'm sitting here, I'd love to hear from you guys if you do have a particular mask, a sheet mask that you've been loving at the moment. I haven't tried too many myself. I've tried a few, but I just find, I don't know, as much as I like this one, I just find I don't reach for sheet masks that often because I do find them a little bit inconvenient. And they can be kind of expensive if you are wanting, I like to use a mask at least once a week. And if you're paying like, you know, $12 to $20 per mask, it's quite expensive. Okay, it's time to take this off. Looking real cute here. Get my hair out of the way. You can see how much the redness has gone down. What I like to do is like to sit here for a couple of minutes and keep this excess. I don't recommend washing this stuff off. This is all the goodness right here. So we want to keep this on the skin. So this is a close-up of my skin. It obviously looks super shiny because it's really hydrated, but it honestly feels so fresh and plump. It feels really plump. It feels calmer. I love the fact that these are naturally based and biodegradable. They're eco-friendly, and they're probably one of the best face masks within the sheet mask variety that I have tried, and I love how flexible it is and how easy it is to apply and keep on the skin. I really hope you enjoyed my video tonight. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for future reviews and tutorials. And as always, I would love to hear from you with any requests or recommendations. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!